Let's begin with today's math lesson. Find this page in your packet. Go ahead and cut out the pieces and lay them aside. Pause the video until you are ready to begin. Now you remember yesterday we talked about what makes a two-dimensional shape. And you remember a 2D shape lays flat. It does not pop out like a solid. You remember that this shape has curved sides. This shape has long, straight sides that come together at a vertex. Let's take a look at this shape. Can you tell me what this shape is?
A triangle.
This is a triangle. Let's look and see how many vertices it has.
1, 2, 3.
Let's look and see how many straight sides come together.
1, 2, 3.
A triangle is a shape that has 3 pointy vertices and 3 straight sides that come together. So let's take a look at our pieces. Today you will be sorting your pieces on whether it's a triangle or not a triangle.
One, 2, 3, 4.
I like how you counted those vertices. So is that a triangle?
No.
Or is it not a triangle? You're right. Good job.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead and get another shape.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Very good. You counted not only the vertices, but the straight sides that come together. Is that a triangle or not a triangle?
It is a triangle.
Good. Go ahead and pick up another shape.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Not a triangle.
Good.
1, 2. Uh-oh. There's not a corner there.
I'm glad you noticed that. That's an open shape. Is that a triangle or not a triangle?
Not a triangle.
You're right. You remembered a triangle must have 3 pointy vertices and 3 straight sides that come together.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Triangle or not a triangle?
That is a triangle.
Good job.
1, 2, 3 vertices, but that's not a straight line.
Ooh, good eye. I'm glad you noticed. That side is, do you remember the word?
Curved.
You're right. So is this a triangle or is it not a triangle?
It is not a triangle.
Very good.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle too.
Good. You did a great job.
Thank you, Mrs. Kinney.
You can practice more triangles by using a straw that you cut into pieces and try to shape your own triangles with 3 pointy vertices and 3 straight sides. Let's look on the back of our sheet today. Let's practice some more. Look in the blue box. Descartes and Newton are looking at shapes. The directions say color any triangles and tell why your answers are correct. Look at those shapes and see which one they colored. Can you tell me why they colored this shape and not the others?
Because it has 3 vertices and 3 sides.
3 straight sides that come together.
Yes.
Does this shape have the 3 vertices and 3 sides?
No.
It has
Curves.
curve. And this shape has how many straight sides and vertices?
4.
And this shape has how many sides and vertices?
4.
Let's go on. Look at the next row. Can you find which shape might be a triangle?
That's curvy. That has 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is one.
Very good.
3 vertices and 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, not that one. I only see 1 in that row.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is one. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oh no, that's way more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not that one either. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 2 in that row.
Good job. I'm glad you're checking all the shapes in the row.
Thank you,
Go
Mrs.
down
Kinney.
to the last row.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3. This is one.
Good.
Oh boy, this is all curvy. So no, that's not it.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, only 1 in that row.
Good job, Mrs. Daniel.
Thank you, Mrs. Kinney.
Let's go on. Let's begin our practice page. Put your finger on the little green apple, number 1.
Number 1.
Now, you remember what we're looking for?
3.
A triangle shape, and what does it have?
3 vertices and 3 straight sides.
Very good. Color all the shapes that are triangles, and tell me why you think they're a triangle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 points, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. 3 straight sides. I'm going to circle that one.
Good job.
Oh, this one is kind of curvy. So no, that's not a triangle.
Good thinking. They were trying to trick you there.
Thank
You
you.
remembered in order to be a triangle, it must have 3 pointy vertices. And this shape has the corners cut off.
1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. 1, 2. Uh-oh, there's an open end. That's not a triangle because I remembered, Mrs. Kinney, you said 3 vertices, and that's not a third one. It's open.
Good job. Little green fish number 2. Find your triangles and circle them.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and this was a complete circle, all curve. So that's not one. 1, 2, 3.
Great job.
Thank you, Mrs. Kinney.
Little green car number 3. Trace the shapes that are triangles and write the number of sides and the number of vertices of a triangle. So let's start by tracing the triangles.
Here's a point. Go down, there's a point, over a point, and up point. 3 straight sides, 3 vertices.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not a triangle, and it's not a straight side. 1, 2, 3. That's a triangle.
Good.
1, 2, 3. That's a triangle.
So how many triangles did you find?
I found 3.
Good job. Now let's write how many sides a triangle has.
1, 2, 3.
Right,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, Mrs. Kinney.
Good. Now count your vertices.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices.
Perfect. All right, turn your paper over. Let's look and see. Use your triangle shape like flags to make 2 banners for a party. You use 10 flags in all. This is making me think about a birthday that's coming up pretty soon on Thursday.
Oh, yes. I
Isn't it Noon's
remember.
birthday?
Yes. Happy
Oh, my
birthday, Noon
goodness.
Thursday.
This could be the banners that he could use at his birthday. So use your triangle shapes and draw 10 flags all together.
Oh, boy. You said that magic word, all together.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. I'll start with the first one. I'll trace this one. And then I'll add on number 2.
I like how you're counting as you go.
Thank you. 3, 4. I think I'll stop there and add on the green row.
Why don't you change colors?
Okay, good idea.
What number did we leave off at?
4,
So what's next?
5,
Don't forget that last side.
6. Thank you, Mrs. Kinney. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, Mrs. Daniel.
Thank you.
Now let's look at the bottom. We want to write an addition sentence to match our picture. So let's take a look at your first row.
1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice, Mrs. Kinney, how I marked each one off the way you teach us to?
I like that you did that. That helps us to count carefully.
4 pink flags.
Let's go on to the purple flags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we started with 4 pink flags, and then you made 6 more purple flags. What symbol goes here that tells us we're putting these numbers together?
I know that when we add things, it's called plus.
Good job. Do you remember what a plus sign looks like?
Down and over, kind of like our cross. Thank you, Jesus.
Good job. Now let's read our problem and write our answer.
4 plus 6 equal.
Let's count them all up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Fantastic job, Mrs. Daniel.
Thank you, Mrs. Kinney.